Hi, I'm Jeff Banks from MW Lomax, and this is the Banks Report.
The Banks Report, a commentary by noted property and business tax consultant Jeff Banks. Jeff is not your ordinary accountant and speaks in words and terms that you understand.
In my practice, I help people who are working hard and using property and self-employment to help them reach their financial gains. For those of us who do business activity statements, or BASs, or instalment activity statements, IASs, tomorrow signifies the end of yet another quarter. It will mean that we will now have 9 months of activity since the start of the financial year, and we should be in a position to predict what might happen in the last 3 months of the year. It should mean that when it comes time to do our BAS or our IAS, we may want to consider whether we should be paying a PAYG or pay-as-you-go instalment, or whether or not it should be looked to be varied based on our projected results. Along with the end of the third quarter for reporting purposes, 31 March also signifies the end of the Fringe Benefits Tax or FBT year. One of the obligations in respect of FBT compliance is that we need to record the odometer reading of all vehicles as at the close of business on the 31st of March. You should ensure that you record and file the odometer readings of each vehicle used for business purposes or where a fringe benefits tax liability may apply to ensure compliance with the legislation. For small business, FBT is a very expensive taxation imposition because it is levied at the highest marginal tax rate, i.e. 49%. There are many ways to mitigate the effects of FBT through the appropriate use of ownership, reimbursement of relevant expenditure, and simple adherence to the rules. An MW Lomax client account manager will be well versed in these measures needed to mitigate the effects of FBT or to assist with the compliance requirements of the lodgement of an FBT return. 31 March also signifies another important date to high income earners. It is the final date for lodgement of income tax returns for high income earners, both companies and individuals. Clients of MW Lomax in this category will have been contacted and reminded of their obligations, and in the majority of cases will be well on the way to lodgement within the appropriate deadlines. For those of you out there who may be struggling with lodgement deadlines, please do not hesitate to contact us at compliance@mwlomax.com.au, and one of our client account managers will be more than happy to assist you in ensuring your compliance obligations are met in a timely manner.
The Banks Report is created by Jeff Banks of MW Lomax, a specialist financial services firm offering strategic advice and services you need in property and business, including accounting, taxation, finance, financial planning, risk insurance, superannuation, and business advisory.